Uh, Another large aircraft, guys. We're waiting for this EVA Air to having a takeoff. So as you can see, Banban is well, keep on watching on that large aircraft. Okay, so maybe in 3 minutes time, so we're going to take off. So for the meantime, let's go the aircraft taxiing, go to the runway 06. So ayan po, ayan makikita nyo, ayan, nagtataxi na po siya. So papunta doon. Yan, ina-observe po ni Banban. Hinihintay niya na he's waiting to take off the EVA Air. Okay, kita niya po. So just watching if you have seen that large aircraft ahead of him, the Air Asia, I think that is Airbus 319. Okay, different types of aircraft. And although there is another aircraft who fast approaching for landing, although hindi po yata natin nakikita, no? So as you can see that, so we're just waiting for that aircraft to land. Yeah, again, Banban is keep watching. So as you can see, also we have in that Hana Airlines going to taxi, I think going to Terminal 1. I don't know if it is Terminal 1 or Terminal 2. I have no idea. So that aircraft. Okay. So as you can see, taxiing go to Terminal 1, I think. And another, so we're just watching or in a few seconds, okay, the other aircraft will be land. Okay, then followed by takeoff of EVA Air. Okay, as you can see po. We will just for that, so that is Philippine Airlines. Okay, so that is Philippine Airlines just landed. So as you can see, we have three large aircraft on ground, as you can see. Okay. So EVA Air is waiting from ATC to proceed on the runway. Okay, so for the meantime, just stopping. So Philippine Airlines will be taxiing. I think go to for Terminal 2. As you can see that. So Banban keep on watching for that. So again, as you can see that the EVA Air and Hana Airlines is lining. EVA Air will be for takeoff, while the Hana Airlines will go to the Terminal 1, I think, or Terminal 3. I have no idea. And basically there is fast approaching for landing for other aircraft. So the time is already 1 o'clock in the afternoon here. So again, the temperature is a little bit hot here. So the Gulf Air is okay, having takeoff, as you can see that. So the Gulf Air having takeoff. Yeah, so as you can see that. Okay. And then we're waiting for landing. So as you can see, the EVA Air will be go to the Terminal 3, I think. So as you can see, then maybe we are just waiting for EVA Air to having takeoff a while ago. In a few minutes, it will going to take off the EVA Air. So Hana Airlines, again, it will proceed to Terminal 3, I think. So as you can see that it will be saying go to Terminal 3. So again, the temperature, the weather here is very hot. So as you can see, but the Banban is keep on is very excited to be here actually. So we will just wait. So again, there is another aircraft to be landed. to the land. It will pass approaching, and maybe after that landing, followed by even here to having a takeoff. So we will just wait for that. Okay. So we will wait for that aircraft to be landed, then followed by Iba Air for having takeoff on 0624 runway. So that's, so you can see that Ban is keep on watching for that. So see, it's waving. So as you can see, that is Cebu Pacific. Yeah, just landed in Cebu Pacific, and we'll watch. If possible, the Iba Air will be coming next or having takeoff. We will wait for that. Okay. So, again, it is highly recommended to be here at Shell Cubic here in Multinational Village, Parañaque City. Okay, so that's why if you want to go here, so it is highly advisable, okay, to go here because it's very nice view for those coming aircraft landing and takeoff in this area. It is very ideal. So again, we will just be waiting for the Iba Air or having takeoff. In a few seconds or a few minutes, it will come to this area. Okay, what will have it takeoff? Maybe it will be preparing for takeoff. We will just wait for that. So I think it is already prepared on the runway 06. So we will just wait for that. So as you can see, but again, it is very nice to see here on the Shell Cubic area here in Multinational Village, Parañaque City. Here, okay, so maybe in a few minutes, the Iba Air will having takeoff. So we'll just wait for that. Okay, and basically there is another aircraft to be landed. Okay. I don't know if you have seen that lights, the landing lights is coming. So in a few seconds, okay, it will come. Okay. Again, thank you very much, guys, for watching for this. Okay. So again, this is the first time that Ban having here on Shell Cubic. Actually, matagal niya na pong request na pumunta dito just to watch the different types of aircraft for having landed and takeoff in this area. So basically it is in front of Terminal 3, Terminal 2 and Terminal 1 here in Shell Cubic area in Multinational Village, Parañaque City. So we're waiting for landing. Maybe after that landing, maybe followed by Iba Air having takeoff. So yan po, kung makikita niyo. Okay. So yan, medyo mainit po masyado. So it is not ideal to walk on the area. Going home, it's very hot. So again, the aircraft just landed, and maybe it will be followed by, oh, that's Philippine Airlines. So maybe it will be followed by Iba Air for takeoff. Okay, so Ana Air now it is fast approaching to the Terminal 3. So this one is Philippine Airlines having just landed, and maybe after this we will watch for the Iba Air for having takeoff. We will just wait for that, guys. So in a few seconds, so the Iba Air will come for takeoff. So we will watch for that. Okay. So again, it will be requested by Ban to watch this area. Okay, and he is very satisfied for watching for this. Having landing and takeoff to this area. So as you can see, the Philippine Airlines will heading to Terminal 2, Now it is